May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship.
Item 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The first item on the hearing list. There are very few hearing matters. Yes.
Your Lordship, if you can have this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why?
Conducting counsel is indisposed, Your Lordship, today.
Just why?
Yes, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is a parity of pay.
Service matter.
A service matter, Lordship. Yes.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. After 2 weeks on the request made on the petition. Yes.
All right.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
With the other side. Yes. You are appearing for?
For respondent number 1 to 1.
There are very few cases today.
After 1 week, Lordship,
Why after 1 week?
due to personal difficulties, Lordship.
How many respondents are there? She is representing the district council.
JCDC only, Lordship.
She is representing the district council.
Yes, Lordship. Only JCDC.
And who else are there? 3 others are there, GJDC and 3 others were there. Anybody? Any private respondent?
No, Lordship.
Nobody is there?
No, Lordship.
Okay, just say. This also after?
After 1 week, Lordship.
After 1 week on the request made on the petition. Yes, okay.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 8. The conducting counsel is having some difficulties. Kindly allows 2 week time.
Yes, Mr.
No objection, Lordship.
No objection. When do you want it? This is a new, of course, 2023 matter.
Lordship.
This is a quashing application.
Yes, my lord.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Okay, 8 also on the after 2 weeks on the request made on the petition. Yes,
Highly obliged.
on.
Item number 1.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner is in custody since May 2006, my lord. He has been granted life imprisonment under section 302, 364A, 201, read with 120B IPC and 34 IPC, my lord. And the judgment of conviction was passed by the First Track Court, West Garo Hills, Tura.
You are challenging the conviction?
No, my lord. I'm just mentioning, my lord,
The application for parole, my lord, on the last occasion, my friend couldn't appear. So the
This is
application,
an application
November.
for parole,
My lord, yes.
not remission.
No, my lord, application of parole of November 2023, my lord, which is still
Do
pending
you
with
have a
us.
policy here?
My lord, it appears as per my preliminary instruction, which I've taken
Okay,
orally,
just
we do
let's
not have.
see what she says. One
We
second.
do not have, my lord, the provision.
Let us see.
my lord, the order of conviction was confirmed by this honorable court. My lord, vide order dated 14 May
was not appeal.
2019.
No appeal was filed.
File, my lord.
It was filed here, my lord.
So appeal was up. In appeal, conviction was upheld.
Yes, the conviction was upheld, my lord, and the petitioner is in custody for 18 years. And my lord, the petitioner has filed his parole application, which is at page number. May I take your
He has not
lordship?
applied for remission. Miss Colony, what happened to those matters?
My
Perhaps
lord,
you
that
remember
case is,
those remission
my
matters
lord, yes,
pending in
Nabam
apex court?
Thai, lordship, Lord, Nabam Thai, my lord, if I remember.
No, what happened to those matters
My
pending
lord,
in apex court?
the main case which
State
is
was a party, isn't it, before apex court?
My lord, yes.
Yes.
We are a party in before the apex court and it's still pending, my lord. The
No
matter
outcome,
has
no
not come to
outcome till now.
finality, no, my lord. The matter has not come to finality
So
yet.
she says already she has served for 18
18
years.
years.
She's already there. So for remission or all, somebody will have to apply, isn't it?
My lord, they could have applied for remission.
Yes. Okay. Now?
My lord, the petitioner has filed his first parole application, my lord, on dated 25th November 2023. May I take your lordships to page number 71, my lord, of the application?
That copy.
My lord, it's a type copy. May I read, my lord?
Yes, please.
I have the honor to state that I have been convicted by District and Session Judge Tura in session case number 7, 2006, under section 302, 365-201 and 334 IPC. I was sentenced life imprisonment. I, Shri Suraj Gupta, beg to state the details of my sentence and the grounds of release on parole. That I was sentenced by a session judge Tura in connection with the above mentioned case, white dated 1706.
When did you submit this?
November
November 2023,
23.
my
Then
lord.
what happened to it?
My lord, till date it has not been decided by the respondents, my lord.
It's still pending
No,
before.
under what law they will decide it?
My lord,
Under what law?
my lord,
Do you have a right to
yes,
be released on parole?
yes, my
Under
lord.
what law?
My lord, under parole, my lord.
Where is that? We know parole. This is literal meaning parole.
Yes, my
But
lord.
then the state is basically they are liable to grant parole to you.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that law?
My lord, I will.
If at all you
Yes, ma'am.
want the state to consider your application,
Yes, my lord.
under what law they will consider?
My lord, this is my constitutional right, my lord, to get parole.
Where is that? What basis you say? Constitutional right for to have, I don't think.
No,
Constitution does not
has to be a
contain
provision.
any provision of parole.
there has to be a provision.
If you say there is a parole, that may be by virtue of something,
Yes, my lord.
but then it is not a constitutional right.
My lord, on that ground, I'll satisfy my lord on the next date, my lord.
It's okay, it's all right. We're not saying that you do not have a right, but then you, once you stand as a council,
Yes,
it
my lord.
becomes your duty to project to be with them.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Because the state council here is not very, see, until and unless she gets instruction, she will not be able to place it.
Yes, my lord.
Now you are placing the case before this court. It becomes your duty to place it. Before.
Yes, my lord.
It should not be simple that you see that we know that there are many judgments.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So for a parole. But then parole is granted always on the basis of certain law. You see, you may say find it in either in jail manual.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. But there's certain law, isn't it? It
My
should be
lord,
there. Normally that is.
a provision has to be done,
We
that
have
which
to-
she has
we have
applied.
to- Now, what shall we do? Shall we issue notice? You will take instruction, or
My lord, to be honest, I have already spoken to the department. We don't seems to have a provision for granting of parole, my lord. But since an application has been given, my lord, the department feels that it should be actually been disposed of.
then you file an affidavit.
My
File
lord,
an affidavit
we
to
are
that
on the
extent.
process of
Because you
getting.
cannot escape by saying that we do not have a policy.
My lord, yes. My lord, I will take
And-
instruction and file an
And it
affidavit.
may, this case may to some extent can
My
be
lord.
relatable to those matters
My
pending
lord,
in
yes.
appeal courts.
That is
Where a person who is sentenced for life imprisonment
My
has
lord.
served more than 14 years.
And this is a
There may be
case of 18
some
years.
kind of automatic consideration.
My
You
lord.
take into consideration all those
My lord,
things.
I'll also verify in case this person's name has also been given, put up in that list, my lord, from the particular district. Because those lists of people who have already, who have been in sentence, my lord, for quite long, their name has been forwarded in the list of those people who can be granted for remission, consideration before the Supreme Court, my lord.
Whether this person's name
My
is
lord, that
there.
I have to verify because the
Yes,
list,
you verify because he's already 18
if
years.
so, my lord, I think,
If that is there, that may serve her purpose to some
my lord,
extent.
yes. I will look into that.
So we'll issue notice, you just file a reply.
Highly obliged, my lord.
See, you find out
Yes, my
under
lord.
what law and on what situation your parole can be rejected.
Yes, my lord.
When it should be granted and when it cannot be rejected. And what are the prime considered? Prime consideration, which the authority should take into consideration for deciding your application. Any hard miss so and so, Rani Council was a petitioner. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks.
My lord,
Miss R. Kearney, learned
all the respondents.
GA APS for all the respondent. And as such, no formal notice is called for. List this matter accordingly. It will come after 3 weeks.
My lord, I'll
Only
take
for 3
instruction.
weeks.
Highly obliged.
You
my lord.
supply her extra copies.
Yes, my lord.
Item number 2.
Yes. Have you filed objection, madam? You have
Lordship.
not filed any objection.
Lordship, we have not filed any objection, Lordship. However, we have received the latest from the
Madam, your
concerned.
last prayer is that you have taken time for filing objection.
Lordship, exactly,
So
Lordship.
that is what.
Lordship. But at the same time, we were in contact with the concerned IO Lordship, and we have received instructions, Lordship, over here. If I may present it to this Honorable
No,
Court,
if you have to
Lordship.
file affidavit, you file affidavit.
We'll file by way of
Objection,
affidavit, my Lord. Will do.
Because you have taken all along, you have taken time. Court has granted you time on that.
Lordship, then
account
we'll
only.
file the affidavit, Lordship.
What is this matter about?
It's that stone pelting concerning the Chief Minister's visit in Tura, Lordship.
There are a series of cases probably
Lordship,
arising out of.
some have been granted interim bail by this Honorable Court also, Lordship, and there are many accused persons also in this case.
So these are all, those matter has been charge sheeted, no?
Charge sheeted has been forwarded, Lordship. Actually, that is the information that we have received, Lordship.
And whether this name of this present person is there in the charge sheet.
Lordship, if I may present the same to this Honorable Court, Lordship.
So you do not want to say it, utter the words.
I
by
don't
yourself.
want to utter anything, Lordship, if I just may. We have circled the names of the petitioners also, Lordship.
How many petitioners are here?
2 petitioners here in Lordship, item number 2 and number 3, Lordship.
Eleven accused.
Lordship.
They are the only accused.
Lordship. But the next speech is more relevant in this instant matter, Lordship.
So you have discharged many.
It appears, my Lord.
Very difficult to know. All people are not named in the FIR. They were not.
No,
named.
Lordship. Some were arrested during course of investigation.
And what are those you have circled by this?
The petitioners, Lordship,
Here in
before this
case.
Honorable Court, Lordship.
Okay. I didn't file an affidavit. I think
Will do,
it's
my
better.
Lord.
You wait, let her file an objection.
Okay, Lordship.
Okay, as preferred by the Leonard Senior G. Another 2 weeks' time is granted for filing an objection in the matter by the state. That will be another 2 weeks. Just let her lead you. We'll have 2 weeks. We have granted 2 weeks time.
My Lord, similar prayer for item number 3 also, my Lord.
Same,
Same,
same
Lordship.
council,
Same.
same order.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes.
But this is the matter, my lord, in a contractual matter after losing in 3 rounds of litigation before this Honorable Court matter. Now they have come for severe inquiry, my lord.
Your Lordship,
But it is so misconceived, my lord. Had they won in the writ petition, my lord, still they can make out a case, my lord.
How much cost we can impose here? What can be the maximum?
That can be, my lord.
Yes.
yes, Your Lordship. The senior counsel in this case will be coming from Delhi. So kindly grant us, let this matter be listed after the 6th of May.
Secondly, my lord, why this is registered as WP criminal? I don't
We
know.
have seen the prayer. See, it is for registering a CBI case
CBI case, my lord.
with regard to the manner of settlement or the mode which was there.
So normally what we have seen, my lord, is the WPC, the CBI inquiries are directed, my lord. WP, I don't
No, but then if it is something you do not know why it has come as a
know. Criminal also.
great petition criminal because nobody is in custody.
My lord.
Nobody's fundamental rights. So if they at all wanted, some case should be registered. They could have come under 482. Probably.
Or
That is what
normally
the court is
WP
nobody to
My lord.
say like give advice or anything. But then just see it. We do not know what they say, but then it seems like that they have filed in single bench, in division bench also, and thereafter they
Single
have
bench, they
come.
filed 3 writ petitions, my lord.
Okay.
Even before, when the tender was issued, they challenged that. So they wanted to change in the tender conditions to suit their requirement, my lord. That was dismissed. Second round dismissed. Third round dismissed. They went on appeal also. That also dismissed. Now they want a CBI inquiry. And not only that, my lord, they filed complaint before Ministry of Home Affairs. They conducted preliminary inquiry. They closed the matter. They filed a complaint before, because this was online tender through GEM portal. My lord. They filed a complaint to GEM portal also. GEM portal also closed their complaint.
Well, anyway, let us see what intention they have. See, when CBI is bound to undertake one investigation, when what will compel? See, is it that for each and every settlement, say supposing in settlement process there will be obviously some parties who will fail,
My lord.
and then whether, say supposing if they allege some malafide or you see the wrong in the settlement process, and if any FIR is filed,
There's no FIR till now.
but then they said they have filed one thing to the CBI. That is their case probably.
But CBI does not register an FIR as such, my lord. They can't file. My lord, when the parameters, when this honorable court will direct a CBI inquiry, my lord, that is very well settled. Only in cases of a large scale scam, something like that, or second situation will be when the accused persons are so powerful that state police will not be in a position
See,
to.
in normal parlance, a matter involving civil and criminal dispute, the finding of a civil court is considered to be superior than the criminal courts. Now here it seems, so far as settlement process is concerned, that was challenged by writ petitions, and all the matters after adjudication on merit, the court declined to interfere. Now taking of criminal thing, basing on the same facts, now that is very unusual. We do not know which way they are moving. If they do something wrong, if they play with the things, they will definitely pay for it. When do you want it?
After the 6th of May.
After 6th of May, that means it will go after today's. This is after 2 weeks. We'll have it after 2 weeks.
Okay.
We will list it after 2 weeks for motion on the request to the London Council.
Hello.
You got the things, the interaction from these things.
Just.
One way, pass the message.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 5.
Really obliged.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
May I please, Your Lordship. This is an application for condonation of delay of 128 days for preferring an appeal against conviction under Section 397 of the IPC, sentencing 7 years of age of years.
And condemnation, I don't think they will have.
No,
any
will
things.
not have much objection.
Just say in the miskis, heard Mr. H. Nath, London Council, for the petitioner. But this application, petitioner 6, to condone the delay of 120 days, 128 days in preferring the appeal against the judgment
23.
and order of conviction dated
16/10/23.
2023 under section 395
395.
95, 96.
397.
by the session judge East Joint Hills District Period
Period.
in session case number 24 of 2021. You just get to see the petition, you will get the things there. Ms. T. Youngie Learned AG appearing for the state has no objection. Come on. The reasons for delay. Which paragraph, Mr. Nath? You state the reasons for delay.
My lord, paragraph
Mainly paragraph which will be
6, 7, 8, my lord.
the reasons for delay is explained in paragraph number 6, 7 and 8 of the application is found to be satisfactory.
10 is also there, no? The
10,
five
after
incidents.
6 to 10.
6 to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are found to be satisfactory. Stop. Here. The stop. Accordingly, the delay of 128 days in preferring the appeal against the opposite conviction is condoned. No application. The petition, no, the application stands allowed. And then in the main case, we just say the registry to diarize the appeal and list it for motion.
And the paper book.
It's after admission or
Okay.
lower court
Records.
No, we have
After
not
admission.
issued. First, we have to issue. First, appeal be diarized.
admitted.
Diarized.
Number will be given, that will be listed. Then once we take up for motion, then only.
Honest.
Pleasure, Lord.
Earlier we used to do in one shot, now we are doing in
Yes.
different shot.
In different.
This is what is adopted probably. Otherwise, this could,
Actually,
the
it's-
very day of this thing,
it has to be prepared after condonation of delay.
No.
can be presented along with this. Condemnation refused, then appeal cannot be taken.
Cannot be taken. Honest.